Welcome to part 2 of the garage renovation project. Today I'm going to be making progress mostly on this corner here where all of the machining, all of the milling, drilling, and part assembly goes into place. Okay, so let's start in this corner. So first of all, we only want the things we need, because if you start adding things you don't need, then you can start getting distracted. And I'm not very easily distracted. And you can screw that right to the wall and then it holds your ukulele. Well, we tried. So you saw the before and this is the after. So I haven't dialed in the tools exactly where I want them to be, but I got the gist of everything where I want it. So everything should be within easy reaching of where it's going to be used. Got the chisels here, got the glue here because this is going to be the glue up station right here on this granite surface. Got calipers, all the fine intricate detail work is going to take place right here. Just kind of cleaned out, started to put some of the tools up on here for all the milling, the drilling. We got to sort out some of the drill bits and exactly what we want, because obviously we don't use all of these things here or up on the wall here, but so if we can get those out and just have the stuff we use, because I have lots of good drill bits that I don't want the ones that we're not going to use all the time. So we also have hand clamps up on the wall because we're gonna get rid of all this inventory here, and then we're just gonna use this for glue ups and setting here. Parts for the puzzle chest underneath. Anyways, nice day getting this all kind of sorted out. We're slowly getting the workshop back to where it needs to be. And tomorrow, my friend Josh is gonna come and help me assemble Jack in the Boxes. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you again later. Goodbye.